made a video in a long time. I thought I'll record one quickly from the mobile phone because things are a bit hectic at the moment. So what I want to show you is I designed a case for the chunky end-fed half-wave transformer, and yeah, this is how I had it. And yeah, this is not something that I can use in winter outside, so I had to design a case. And as you do, you start with a sketch. Well, just measure a few dimensions and start sketching. And then I entered it into Fusion 360, and this was the first iteration. So basically, I wanted something to hold the Fair-Rite core in place, and I wanted, well, obviously a PL connector at the bottom, and then some output, and then something to get rid of any condensation moisture. So this is my attempt here. I'm not sure if it's focusing. Yeah. So this is my attempt here to get rid of the moisture. And as you do, you print this, then you put the thing on top, and then you see, okay, dimension-wise, it's not really 100%. So then you go through iteration 2. So I think this is a bit less high or deep, as you can see. And I should aim the camera at the case so that you can see it. So from the side, you see this a bit less high. And then I thought, okay, this moisture thingy is maybe not long enough, so I made it a bit longer. And yeah, basically played with the dimensions a bit. And then you go through iteration 3 after you tested that and say, okay, maybe too shallow is also not good, because there has to be a case put on top. So I thought initially I make it a flat case, and then I started adding a little ridge, so that basically goes on top here and holds the toroid firmly in place. And as that takes depth, I had to first I made it a bit shallower, and then I made it a bit longer again, because I didn't think about the lid. And yeah, okay, the lid also went through a few iterations. And in the end, well, you have a lot of stuff that you can put to the recycling. And this is, for the moment, the final product. As you can see, I decided for a, well, hopefully gold-coated 4 millimeter connector. And yeah, it's not perfect, and as you can see, I also burned a bit the plastic while soldering this in, because everything is pretty tight. But okay, we have the BNC connector. We have you see the capacitor here lurking in the back. And yeah, then we have a lid that goes on top. And initially I had some phase on, but if I have a phase here on that lid, then it is also not very stable again. So in the end, I organized some flat head screws, and it's not even plastic screws, it's whatever screws I had lying around. So this lid will go on top, screw it shut, and then hopefully this is good enough to go on my roof and waterproof enough to survive 6 months. And if not, I can always put a bit of silicone in here before I close the lid, and then it's really watertight. Okay, thanks for watching. No need to drag that one out. I have to see if I can upload the model somewhere so that you can use it. This section here needs maybe a bit more improving. Maybe I have to make the whole case a few millimeter taller, because it's really, well, a tight fit here to screw that in and solder. But this is as small as you can get it, yeah? So, again, thanks for watching, and until next time. Bye!